Hi, greetings to my dear friends. And today, the subject what we are going to speak about is the relationship of Pluto, Jupiter, and coronavirus. Strangely, what I have seen that if we just connect to the rising temperatures, so the sun gets debilitated in the month around October, where it is debilitated means very low and negative energy. Like in India, we celebrate Deepavali. Deepavali means the diyas, we light the diyas. So the moon, when it comes with the sun, that's the dark moon, and sun is in the deepest debilitation, negatively disposed that time. So at that day we light the diyas to enlighten the energy of the earth, because that time the energy is very low. So this pandemic started around the first week of October, when sun of course got debilitated. It was debilitated that time, negatively disposed, and Pluto entered the same time into the Sagittarius last degrees, becoming very powerful with Jupiter conjunction. So that time this pandemic starts. And briefly, as I told you before, that whenever these planets gets conjunct, especially Jupiter, Pluto, Saturn, so we have seen these pandemics coming up. So now to understand that sun is going to get exalted, means very powerful, enlightened on the 13th of April to around 13th of May. So sun also represents medicine. So maybe some medicine will be coming up, or by the heat, because sun gets heated up. Because if you see the Navratras, the 9 auspicious days, when it comes into March, April, the summers start. And when it is in September, October or November, the winter starts. So this is a cycle, the calendar cycle. So now we are here to discuss about the Pluto. So Pluto is an energy, a great energy. And whenever it is conjunct with Jupiter, we have seen these pandemics coming in. And Shivani, would you like to speak about Pluto at some given time, please? Sure.
Pluto is the farthest planet in the solar system. It completes zodiac cycle in 248 years. The power of Pluto is very similar to Lord Shiva, known to be the lord of destruction, death, and originator of rebirth. The symbol of Pluto is trident. It is a misnomer to regard Pluto energy as weak, as it brings complete transformation or dissolution. An individual may face a dead-end situation and often go a painful purification process. Pluto is connected to psychic powers, unknown diseases, viruses, and things which are unknown. It creates unexpected situation where there is a no turnaround and brings revolutionary changes. Metals connected to Pluto are zinc, plutonium, and radium. In mythology, it represents god of underworld, Hades, who represents transformation, intensity, elimination, death. Pluto destroys things in its path. Death, kidnapping, waste, pollution, viruses, coercion are some qualities associated with Pluto. Pluto stands for total transformation in life by tearing down the old and building the new for reinvention. Thank you.
So we have to understand what Pluto is. So Pluto, like nowadays, the pollution has been like a hell. So it's cleaning up water, air, the earth, and of course the negativity in the people, bringing purification in the minds, the thoughts. So this is a cycle which is happening. Now what we have to see is that Pluto is going to get retrograde on around 25th of April. So once the planet gets, it's moving forward, meaning the virus, pushing the virus. But when it turns around, maybe it stops. It starts looking behind. It will start going behind. And Jupiter, now when it goes behind, it slows down. Before a week or 10 days, it slows down. Maybe this pandemic it will slow down, and after the 25th of April, it will get contained. And when Jupiter gets retrograde, say on the 16th of May, maybe it's like an elimination, or it will stop, or it will vanish. There are many things which are coming around. One is the heat, one sun getting exalted, Pluto getting retrograde, and Jupiter getting retrograde. So all of them are happening at the same time. May God willingly this pandemic, this curse goes away, and everybody and every human being on this earth gets some relief. Till that time, be safe, secure, and don't please go out of the houses. Be safe. Thank you very much. God bless you.